My name's Tracy Lewis and I work for an organisation called EFM. EFM actually started 25 years ago. A couple of chaps who worked for one of the large accounting firms saw the phenomenal support that big businesses got with their finances and business planning, and the zero support your small and medium-sized businesses receive. After 10 years, they were inundated with work, and that's when they went out for associate directors. So 15 years on, there's about 40 of us associate directors across the country. And so we provide the support that these larger businesses received. We will come in, we will have a look at your existing data. So there is no work for you to do at that time. So using that data, we find out what your business is, where it's been, where it is now, and then we'll have a chat with you to see where it is that you want to go. And together, we will agree a plan of how we can grow your business and your cash flow. One of my very first clients that I got together with, took the financial data, looked through it, and that tells you the whole story. So from that, I can put some questions together, and it's, this is where we are, where do you want to go? And one of the first answers you will get will either be extrapolated from the salary that they used to be on when they were in business. And when we looked at that target, it was ambitious, it was aggressive, and there is no point putting in targets that we can't achieve. So broke it down. I tend to break mine down to a 3-year plan, and then we'll put targets in to meet that. It was still very aggressive, so brought it down a little bit. It's still ambitious, but it was like, let's give this a go. So we put the plans in place, and then we check in regularly to see performance against the plan. And we talk together about how we change our strategies so that we continue to meet plan if that's actually needed. And as it happened, we did meet target. There was another client that I worked with. They were successful, introduced to me because of the work that we do, because of the analysis that we do. And there was an awful lot of money tied up on the balance sheet in terms of receivables. So this is the money that was owed by their clients. So by looking at that and looking at their financials, not just the money in the bank, but what is actually owed, we could then put processes in place to make sure that that money then comes in on a timely basis. You can then invest that into the business. We now grow the plan and where we want to be, and continually reviewing and continually improving and working together with that plan. When I first started with EFM, the size of business that I would work with would have been around sort of 100,000 to 5 million, but the principles are exactly the same. So we take the principles that we've all worked in with those larger businesses, and we just scale them down to match your business and what your goals are. The challenges I find that my clients have, they know where they want to go, they just don't know how to get there. So when we go into review performance, we know categorically where we are because the numbers are there as a measure. And because we've worked in that sector, we can take that complex financial data and turn it into simple strategic ideas. So working with us, you get the finance department to the level that you need. Because we're talking about performance, there's also that business development element to what we do, and it's about giving you the confidence and the clarity of the plan that you want for your business. So if you would like to work with a company that is results driven and commercially minded, then please do get in touch. The first thing is that we would have a call to find out about your business, but I do come and give that review free of charge, so I can spend a day in your business looking at the finances of where we are now, writing a report for you, and as I say, that would be free of charge, and we can take it from there. So I'm Tracy Lewis from EFM.